What is up everyone and welcome back to Quick Hopper. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to change the language and YouTube comments. So let's open our YouTube app and find a video with the comments you want to translate. Once on the videos page, scroll down to the comments section. If the comments are in a different language, you'll see an option to translate to English. Simply click on it to translate the comments. You can click on Translate to English, and then you can switch back to the original language again. If you want to change the overall language of the YouTube app, here's how. Navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the gear icon to access settings. Then select General Settings at the top. Find and tap on App Language option. Choose your desired language from the list provided, and that's it. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.